Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now I will teach you central angle and the measure of an arc on textbook page number 78. What is called central angle? The definition is given over here. In the figure, O is the vertex of the angle AOB. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called a central angle. Now O is the center of the circle. Now this is ray OA and this is ray OB. If you join these two rays on vertex O, which is the center of the circle, it forms a central angle. Okay. The angle AOB is the figure is the central angle corresponding to arc AZB. Now this is the arc AZB. Okay. Yesterday we studied minor arc, major arc and semicircular arc. Now this arc AZB belongs to minor arc. It is the small part of a circular arc. Now the small part of circle, when you draw this, it is minor arc. Okay. The measure of the angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of the arc. Okay. This I already explained you here. When you join these two rays on vertex O, it forms a central angle. Next, we study measure of a minor arc. Yesterday we studied minor arc. What is minor arc? In the figure alongside, the measure of angle AOQ is 70 degree. Look here, angle AOQ. Angle AOQ is the central angle. O is the center of the circle. Ray OA and ray OQ join on the vertex O, which is the center of the circle. Angle AOQ is central angle. Angle AOQ measure is given 70 degree. You have to find measure of the arc AYQ. AYQ is minor arc. Okay. AYQ is smaller. So arc AYQ is minor arc. Measure of the minor arc is 70 degree. Why? Here it is given on textbook page number 79. The measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. Means the measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of the corresponding central angle. Okay. If measure of the central angle AOQ is 70 degree, then measure of arc AYQ is 70 degree. Arc AYQ is minor arc. The reason is the measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the minor arc. Therefore, measure of arc AYQ is 70 degree. Okay. Now next is measure of a major arc. Formula is measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. This is the formula. Now minor arc is 70 degree. You got. Okay. Now measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. I taught you yesterday. Once again I will teach again. Now this is the protractor. Now the protractor is the semicircular instrument. Okay. Now if I place this protractor on point O, from 0 degree to 180 degree straight angle is coming. Okay. The measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. If I place protractor on opposite way, opposite direction on point O, from 0 to 180 degree, again straight angle is coming. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. From measure of major arc is 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. Minor arc I told you, you got 70 degree here. If measure of central angle is equal to measure of minor arc. Okay. Measure of major arc AXQ. Now arc AXQ is major arc. It is having the long distance over here. To draw this circle here from point A to Q, we will get longer part of the circular arc. you are drawing the longer circular part on rounder, and it is the major arc. Arc AXQ is major arc. Okay, measure of major arc AXQ is equal to 360 degree. You have to subtract from complete circle, you have to subtract minus measure of the minor arc. 360 degree minus 70 degrees, 290 degree. Now let us begin the sum with an example. In a circle with center O, the measure of a central angle is 40 degree. Find the measure of minor arc BXC. Now this is the central angle. Ray OB and ray OC, these two rays join on vertex O. O is the center of the circle. Angle BOC is central angle. Okay. Your point measure of minor arc BXC. Measure of minor arc is equal to measure of the central angle. If angle BOC is 40 degree, arc BXC is also 40 degree. This is the reason. Now measure of a central angle in bracket you can write angle BOC is equal to 40 degree. You have to find measure of minor arc BXC. Measure of minor arc BXC is equal to question mark. Okay. Measure of a central angle is equal to measure of corresponding minor arc. Okay. Measure of a central angle BOC is 40 degree. Then measure of minor arc BXC also is 40 degree. Reason is measure of a central angle is equal to measure of corresponding minor arc. If central angle measure, if they give any on protector over here, minor arc also will be same measure. Therefore, measure of minor arc BXC is equal to 40 degree. Got it? Now we do measure arc. If you can't see the circle, you can see here. Okay. Now look at next sum. In a circle with center O, the measure of a minor arc is 40 degree. Here minor arc BXC I got 40 degree after solving the sum. What is the measure of major arc BYC? Okay, measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. This is the formula. O is the center of the circle. Okay. Measure of a minor arc is 40 degree. Now formalize measure of major arc is equal BYC is equal to 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. Measure of major arc BYC is here. 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. 360 degree minus measure of minor arc is how much? 40 degree. So subtract it now. From 360 degree you have to subtract. Complete circle you have to subtract, which measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Okay, look the circle carefully. Answer is 320 degree. If you like this video, give us the feedback or comment. Please subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.